Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Microsoft Edge shortcut on your Windows 11 desktop. And now, let's get started. To begin, you will need to locate the Microsoft Edge application. A straightforward way to do this is by right-clicking on the Microsoft Edge icon, then selecting the option that says Open Location. This action will take you to the File Explorer window, where the Microsoft Edge executable is stored. Once you are in this location, right-click on the Microsoft Edge file again. From the context menu that appears, navigate to Send to and then choose Desktop Create Shortcut. This will instantly place a Microsoft Edge shortcut directly onto your desktop, allowing you to launch the browser with a single click. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.